Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm sharing with you all my recipe for Hong Kong wontons. So if you guys would like to see how to make this amazing appetizer, keep watching. Okay guys, to start this recipe, I'm going into my pot with some chili infused coconut oil from CJ Limited. This is a spicy recipe, hence the reason why I'm using this oil, but you can use regular oil if you wanted to. Now to the oil, I'm going to go in with some minced ginger and garlic. I'm going to go in with some chopped pimento peppers and some chopped hot peppers. Feel free to put as much or as little peppers as you want. And I'm also going in with some sliced onion, both red and white. We're going to let this saute in here for about, say, 40-50 seconds, maybe a minute. You want to wake up the ginger and the garlic. And you're also going to release some of the oils that is in the peppers. And you want to do this on a low heat, guys, because you don't want to burn your garlic or your ginger or your onions. So cook this for about a minute or more. Okay, once the onions are tender or to your liking and it's very fragrant, now you're going to add in your fried wontons. And I fried my wontons ahead of time. You can buy store-bought wontons. For this, I'm going to garnish with some chopped scallions. I'm going to drizzle in a little bit of sesame oil on the outside of the wok so that it gets into the entire dish. You don't want to put it directly onto the wontons. And sprinkle with a little bit of Chinese seasoning salt, the recipe which I have on my channel. And I'll link it as an end card. So go ahead and toss everything to combine. So if you wanted to at this time, you can squirt some ketchup on this lightly, just to flavor it if you want. But then this is ready once it's like this. This is your Hong Kong wontons. So all I have to do now is dish this out and it's ready to be served. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Make it, let me know down below if you make it, what you think. Try the ketchup, squeezing some ketchup on this and giving it a mix. It will take it over the top. Just keep in mind you'll need to eat it right away. So I hope you all enjoyed today's recipe. Comment down below and let me know if you make it. Thank you guys so much for requesting this. Thank you for joining me today in the kitchen. And I will see you in my next video. Stay safe guys. Bye.